Hello my dear student, see this question has been asked in CBSE board 2023. So look over here carefully. It is given if magnitude of cross product of two vector is √3 and dot product is -3, then find the angle between vector A and vector B. So as we know that cross product of two vector magnitude is vector A into vector B into sin theta, and dot product of two vector equals to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B cos theta. And if we divide magnitude of cross product two vector upon dot product vector, then it becomes magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B sin theta upon magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos theta. And we have given cross product of magnitude of two vector is √3 or √3 by dot product of two vector is -3 equals to this, and this should be cancelled out. Then here becomes sin theta by cos theta, that is our tan theta. So from here we get tan theta equals to √3 by -3, and it is also written as √3 upon, we can write 3 as √3 into √3, or we can say √3 whole square. So 1√3 cancel out, it becomes -1 by √3. And as we know that tan theta equals to 1 by √3, where if theta is 30 degree, so the value is 1 by √3, but here is minus coming, so the angle theta is comes in second quadrant, because in first quadrant every trigonometry identity is positive, but tan theta is negative in second quadrant and positive in third quadrant and negative in fourth quadrant. And the range of tan theta is pi to 0 to pi. The angle theta is range of angle theta is 0 to pi. So the angle theta is pi minus pi by 6. How it comes pi by 6? Because tan theta equals to 1 by √3, here theta equals to pi by 6, that is 30 degree. So here comes -1 by √3, so the angle changes, so it becomes pi by 6. So it is our answer. So answer is D. Student, if you wanna see full lecture, then subscribe my channel Fantastic Classes 1 to end, must be share.